Hello everyone, my name is Johnny Sam. Yes, today is my race day. So I decided to go out walking somewhere. My name is Johnny Sam. I'm here say hello. I'm now in Chengdu, about 13 year. Yes, I have 36-year-old, not a young. Today is my race day, so I'm here showed my new video talking about my life story, vlog. My English is not good. Sometimes I decide exercise my English. I want to say I need money. I listen YouTuber making video and making money. So this is good thing. And today is my race day. So today I'm waking up too late. I'm so hungry. I need to go to out eat food something. So let's go. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Peace. Hello everyone, my name is Johnny Sam. I'm here eating noodles. This is pink meat. Here is chengdu at Longtas somewhere noodles restaurant. Because today wake up late, so I miss my first came at lunchtime. So this is today my first time my food. So this is beautiful food noodles. I introduce you, shower you. I hope you're like this. This is at a local Chengdu, very popular, beautiful food. Okay, nice. Hello, it's me. My name is Johnny Sam. Good afternoon. I'm here. Here is Chengdu at Longtas somewhere. Yes. Today is my race day. This is video my race day video. Winter is coming. I'm changing my clothes. Now have little sun. Afternoon sun. Overcome my face. Today I'm here. I want to say something. Talking my life story and short new video of my life vlog. My English is not good. Sometimes I want to exercise my English. I'm learning English to more time, about 2-3 years. Yes. Learning English is not easy. But something is not easy. Sometimes I have many things I want to talking because I'm alone lying Chengdu. I think of this. I'm 35-year-old, nearly 36. But I think, I believe, I need doing something. Yes. Today is my race day. Read my battery. Go to Chengdu City Center. Read the battery. Reading around the Chengdu big street. Around. Using my phone. Show the new video. About the Chengdu street, big street landscape. I hope you like this video. I hope God bless you. I hope. Okay. I hope you good, happy, to healthy. Sometimes I have really something, really more something. I want talking, speaking, but sometimes I forget. I forget thing because despite my thinking of is not easy because my English is not easy. Everybody know learning English is not easy. I have no time because most the more time I'm so busy. Busy for life, busy for work, busy for my job. So today have little time. Today is little vacation day. I can rest. Rest today is good thing. Is good feel. You can rest somewhere doing you want to doing love thing. You want to do you want to do? I don't know. For example, exercise English. Pain is coming. Look here. The here landscape is so beautiful. I think of. So I'm here walking one side, talking one side. Okay. Sky is blue. Have called and play on the sky playing. Life is not easy. Life need money. Money of life is very important thing. I want more free time. I want doing things. Yes, my English is not good. Sometimes I want to display my thinking of my fault. Okay, let's walk in here. Let's show you. Yes, this flower is very little. Here, many grass is very big piece. Today is Monday at 2024 year October 7 day. I hope you good healthy, good lucky. God blessing you. Yes. Sometimes I want to say more, but I watching my phone. I don't speaking. I don't know. Is nervous. I know. Is slow, enjoy my life, comfortable life, little time, free time, rest day. Beautiful sun, beautiful landscape, show you. Read my battery, chengdu. Reading chengdu, big 死罪. Okay, I really don't want, I don't know. Say what? I don't know. Because I think I did go to my rent house doing things. Because I think I have many things I did doing. Because tomorrow I need to go to my work. Yesterday is history. Today is gift. Tomorrow is secret. Yes, I hope you know. Everybody. Time lost is lost. Money lost can be making. So I'm here. Say hello. Here is Chengdu at Longtai. I'm Johnny Sam. Thank you. Peace.